Hi everyone, Richard here. I'm out here testing out the new Canon RF 100mm f2.8 macro lens. This is the new lens coupled with this R5 to test out how good is the image. This lens weighs about 730 grams. It's quite hefty, and it has a 5-stop image stabilization. But if you pair it with the R5 and R6, it's supposed to be 8-stop. But when you use the macro right up to 1 time, it's only 2 stops from the lens. So you're not going to get 8 stops or 5 stops with the IS if you're in the macro and you're pointing it very near to the inside or subject. So for this lens, the difference is between this and the EF 100 is this is not only just a 1:1 macro magnification. It's actually a 1:4 if it's the closest focus, but you can only achieve it with the manual focusing. I've tried it in auto and it can't get so near because it can't focus too near, but in manual it can focus in. Don't mind the shaking camera because I've mounted the I've actually clamped on the camera onto the plant itself, and that's my tripod. So let's go do some shots. I'm going to try to video as well the live view with my adapter, and we'll have a look and see whether how much of a view we can get with this. Okay, if you can see, I've mounted the HDMI out to the adapter to get a live view from the RF 100mm lens, and this is the live feed that I'm getting, that I'm going to start recording. At least you get a view of what the macro is doing. We'll try to find some close-up of insects that I can do snap for you to see. So the beauty of using the Canon, I can switch everything without looking at the LCD, and everything is within my control because I've already programmed every button, and I can switch on the fly with just the buttons here. So let's look for something to... oh, there's a butterfly there. Hopefully I can get hold of it. Oh, it flew away. Okay, but there are some ants here. Let's get hold of some ants here. Okay. And there's a bug here. Oh, that's a fly. Can you view that? I think you can see that in your camera. I'm not using the diffuser now because I need to mount this camera on this handphone with the live view recording on. So that's why I'm not using it. I can't see where the fly is. It's kind of hard to focus because I'm not at the right angle, and I can't see where the fly is. Yeah, that's it. Looks like I better get it at an angle because I can't see, and I can't use the flippy screen because I'm using the screen recorder. Okay, got that. Maybe let's get a better subject. Hopefully you can see it on the recording. Okay, let's try to get near to this butterfly. Hopefully you can get hold of it. I need to get closer. Oh, and it's gone. Okay, let's try on the side. Ah, it didn't stay. Okay, there goes the butterfly. At least I got some shots of it, if you can play back. That's the Canon will show where the focus point is when you play back. You can see the red square, and that's where the focus is. So you can rotate it, and that's where it's got it. So that's a nice thing. You can enable this in the camera body. Yep, there's the spider, but it's gone. What a waste. Right, could have got hold of that spider. Oh, it came out. Shh. Okay, come on. Oh, it's jumped up to the branch. Oh, it's coming up to the next leaf. Hope you guys are getting this. Okay, wind. Okay, that's it. That's the spider. That's interesting. I can't get near anyone, any insect yet, because they are moving. But I'll try again with the manual focus and try to get near some of them. But that's the spider, right? That's it. That's the spider. So this is a pretty simple setup where I use my old Samsung Note phone, hook up to the USB Type-C and through the adapter, HDMI adapter to the body. This is a micro HDMI for the R5. So, and just a USB camera app that does the recording. That replaces the Atomos. I don't have to buy one to do recording, but it only records up to 1080p, but it can go up to 1080p 60 frames per second, so it's not bad. So I'm shooting at 1080p 30, which is more than enough, just to show you how the live view looks like. It's a simple thing, simple setup. That's why I can't mount the flash on this to do the macro with the flash photography, but it's okay. We'll have a look at this. I'll leave the links for these items and where the USB app is in the description if you want to look at it. But I saw a spider. Okay, there's a tiny spider there. So the tracking does detect insects and animals, so not bad for the R5 tracking. So only thing is I can't get near enough to get a closer shot, because there's a drain right at the bottom, right? So don't want to fall inside there with the camera and the RF 100. Okay, I saw that's the bug there, and it's down there. Hopefully I can reach without falling down, and it's in between the two. Yeah, that's it. Seems to be mating. Well, it's pretty hard because my hand is shaking all over. So there's the bugs there. That's it, but I can't get near. It's very dark there and don't have enough lights. Okay, there's a grasshopper there. Be careful, my grasshopper. Yeah, there's the grasshopper. Yeah. So I'm shooting at ISO 8000. If not, it's not bright enough. Seems to be one more here. Behind this, yeah, there's a baby one here. And there's the fly again. There's one baby grasshopper here. Come on. And there's one there. I'll try to get an object that can focus close 1:1 and by 1:4. So that's it with the grasshopper's face. It's right smack there. That's without flash. Right, so look at that. Not bad. Let's try manual focus on this. I don't think you'll run away. So where in the world is it? I'm very, very near. Oh, okay, that's it. 1.4 times. So it's pretty hard to hold. At 1.4, and with the IS is only 2 stops. Not gonna get full stops with that. Let's look at it. How does it look like? I have no idea what's this creature, but that's how it looks like. But it's not sharp enough because I'm not using flash. Hopefully I'll get some sunlight on it. But that's the manual focus. That's about as close as I can get to it without any flash. Okay, best I can do. Hopefully looks good enough. Nah, it's not that sharp, but you get the point. It's kind of hard to get near to the subject when there's not enough light at the same time. Okay. Wonder if I got nice shot on this. Yep, I got the face. That's how it looks like. That's a weird looking inside. Right, there you have it. Just a quick look at the RF 100mm macro and its capabilities. I've yet to test more. I need to test the SA control, which gives a different bokeh front and back, and this maybe we can try with that with the macro. I'm not sure it works with macro or just for portraits, so we'll need to look at that. But judging from the current reviews by other YouTubers, they're not really using much of that. So there you have it, a quick look on the RF 100, and do give me a thumbs up if you like the review, and do subscribe if you want to watch my next video. And I'll leave the description on all the things that I'm using here in the description. I'll leave the links there, and do click them if you can. It does help my affiliate program. You don't really need to buy anything, just browse through, but because it does buy Google ads and Google clicks, so it does help on my subscription and my affiliates. So do give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again. Stay safe. Bye everyone.